Hey, quick question. Have you ever walked into a restaurant in an English-speaking country and you didn't know what to say?
Oh, yes. Like the waiter comes to your table and asks, "Are you ready to order?" And your brain just goes blank.
Exactly. You look at the menu, you look at the waiter, you look back at the menu, and you just point and say, this one.
We have all done that. Or you want to ask something, but you don't know the right words, so you just stay quiet.
And that feeling is so frustrating because you're hungry. You just want to order food, but the language gets in the way.
Not anymore. Today, we are going to fix that.
This is English conversation practice for beginners. Real restaurant English. Simple and natural. Let's go.
Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. So glad you are here with us today.
If this is your first time on our channel, hello and welcome. We are so happy you found us.
On this channel, we practice real English, everyday English, the kind you actually need in real life.
We go slow, we keep it simple, and we make it feel like a real conversation, not a textbook exercise.
Because that is the best way to learn, hearing real English again and again.
Okay, let's get into today's topic. And this one is so practical.
Today, we're talking about English at the restaurant, how to order food, how to talk to a waiter, how to ask questions about the menu.
And this topic is so important because eating out happens all the time. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just at a local restaurant, you need this English.
And the good news is, restaurant English is actually very simple. The same phrases come up again and again.
Right. Once you know 10 or 15 phrases, you can handle almost any restaurant situation in English.
And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say, from walking in the door to paying the bill.
So let's start from the beginning. You just arrived at the restaurant. What happens first?
The host or the waiter greets you. Let's show them what that looks like.
Okay, first situation. You walk into a restaurant. The host comes to greet you. Let's practice this together. I'll be the host. Hi, welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Hi. No, we don't. Is that okay?
Of course. How many people?
Just two, please.
Perfect. Right this way. Here's your table. Your server will be with you shortly.
Thank you so much. Okay, simple, right? Let's look at a few key phrases there.
First, do you have a reservation? A reservation means you called or booked a table before coming. Not everyone does this. It's totally fine to say no.
And the answer was, no, we don't. Is that okay? Very polite, very natural.
You can also just say, no reservation. Short and clear. Both work perfectly.
Then the host said, how many people? And the answer was, just two, please.
Just two, please. That word just makes it sound very natural, very soft, very polite.
You can say, just one, please, if you are alone, or just three, please, or four people, please. Very simple.
And at the end, your server will be with you shortly. This means your waiter is coming soon. Shortly means in a little while, not a long time.
So you just say, thank you so much, and you sit down. Easy.
Okay, now the waiter comes to your table. This is the big moment. This is when most people get nervous.
Let's practice this. I'll be the waiter this time. Hi there, my name is Mike, and I'll be your server today. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I have a water and an orange juice?
Absolutely. Still or sparkling water?
Still, please.
Perfect. And are you ready to order your food, or do you need a few more minutes?
Just a couple more minutes, please. The menu looks really good.
Of course. Take your time. I'll be right back.
Okay, so many good phrases in that conversation. Let's go through them.
The waiter said, can I start you off with something to drink? This is the classic first question in a restaurant. Almost every waiter says this.
And the answer was, can I have a water and an orange juice? Can I have is the most useful phrase for ordering. You can use it for anything.
Can I have the pasta? Can I have a coffee, please? Can I have the bill, please? Just put what you want after can I have, and you are good.
Then the waiter asked, still or sparkling water? Still water means regular water, no bubbles. Sparkling water has bubbles, like fizzy water.
And Sarah said, still, please. One word answer. Totally fine. Natural and polite.
And when you need more time to look at the menu, you say, just a couple more minutes, please. Very easy, very polite.
You can also say, can I have a few more minutes? Or just, one moment, please. All good options.
Okay, teaching moment time. Let's talk about ordering food, because this is where people get nervous.
Right. The waiter comes back. You have to choose. You have to speak. What do you say?
Let's practice the full ordering conversation.
Hi, are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. Can I have the grilled chicken, please?
Great choice. How would you like that cooked?
Sorry, what does that mean?
Oh, it means do you want it well done, medium, or rare?
Oh, I see. Well done, please.
Perfect. And what side would you like with that? We have fries, salad, or rice.
I'll have the salad, please.
Wonderful. Anything else for you today?
No, I think that's everything. Thank you.
Perfect. That will be right out for you.
Okay. Did you notice something really important in that conversation?
Sarah didn't understand one question, and she said, sorry, what does that mean?
Yes, and that is such an important phrase. If you don't understand something, you can always ask. It is completely okay.
You can say, sorry, what does that mean? Or, can you explain that, please? Or, sorry, can you repeat that?
Waiters hear this all the time. They are happy to help. Never feel embarrassed to ask.
And then Sarah ordered, can I have the grilled chicken, please? And then for the side dish, I'll have the salad, please.
Notice I'll have is another great way to order. I'll have the pasta. I'll have the soup. I'll have the chocolate cake.
Always save room for dessert.
Always. And at the end, no, I think that's everything. This tells the waiter I'm done ordering, nothing else.
You can also say, that's all for now, thank you. Same meaning, very natural. Okay, let's expand. What if you have a question about the menu? What if you have a food allergy? What if something is wrong with your order?
These things happen, and you need to know what to say. Let's practice. First, asking about the menu. Let's say you don't know what something is.
Excuse me, what is the soup of the day?
Today, it's tomato basil soup. It's really delicious.
Oh, nice. Is it spicy?
No, not at all. It's very mild and creamy.
Perfect. I'll have that, please.
Simple. You can always ask, what is this? Or what is in this dish? Waiters love explaining the food. That's their job.
And asking, is it spicy? Very useful if you don't like spicy food. Or you can ask, is it sweet? Is it heavy? Is it vegetarian?
Now, food allergies. This is really important. If you are allergic to something, you must tell the waiter. You say, I'm allergic to, and then the food. For example, I'm allergic to nuts, or I'm allergic to dairy.
Or you can say, does this have nuts in it? Or, is there dairy in this dish? The waiter will always check for you. This is very important for your health. Don't be shy about this one.
Now, what if something is wrong with your order? What if you got the wrong dish?
Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you, but I think this is the wrong order.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. What did you order?
I ordered the grilled chicken, but this looks like the pasta.
You're absolutely right. I'm so sorry. Let me fix that right away.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Perfect. So, excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you. This is a very polite way to get someone's attention when something is wrong.
And I think this is the wrong order. I think makes it soft, not aggressive, not rude, just calm and polite.
In English, being polite gets you much better results.
In any language, honestly.
True. Now, the last part of the restaurant experience, asking for the bill.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you go. Was everything okay today?
Yes, it was wonderful. The food was really delicious.
That's so great to hear. Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening.
You too, thank you. Could we have the bill, please? Very polite, very natural.
You can also say, "Can we get the check, please?" In American English, people often say check instead of bill.
Both mean the same thing, the paper with the total amount you need to pay.
And the waiter asked, "Was everything okay today?" A very common closing question. And you just say, "Yes, it was wonderful. Thank you."
Or, everything was great, thanks. Short, warm, perfect.
Okay, practice time. Say these out loud. Really, out loud. Come on.
Your mouth needs to practice these phrases, not just your brain. Ready? Let's go.
Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't. Just 2 people, please.
Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I have a water and an orange juice?
Still or sparkling?
Still, please. Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Can I have the grilled chicken, please?
What side would you like?
I'll have the salad, please.
Anything else?
No, I think that's everything. Thank you.
Sorry, what does that mean?
Can you repeat that, please?
Is this dish spicy?
I'm allergic to nuts. Does this have nuts in it?
Excuse me, I think this is the wrong order.
Could we have the bill, please?
Everything was wonderful. Thank you so much.
Great job. Now go back and say those again. But this time, say them like you are really in a restaurant. A little confidence, a little smile.
Because confidence makes your English sound so much better, even if the words are simple.
Simple words plus confidence equals great English. Remember that.
Okay, comment challenge time. We want you to write something in the comments today.
Imagine you are at a restaurant right now. Write your order in English, just 2 or 3 sentences.
For example, "Can I have the pasta, please? And a glass of water. That's everything. Thank you."
Or, I'll have the grilled chicken and a salad, please. Can I have still water? Thank you.
Simple, easy, just like that.
And bonus challenge, tell us your favorite food in English. We want to know.
Mine is pizza. Always pizza, every time.
Mine is a good steak with fries and sparkling water.
See? Easy to talk about food in English. Now you try. Write it below. We read every comment.
Okay, everyone, we're at the end of today's episode, and I just want to say, you learned a lot today.
Seriously, think about it. You can now walk into a restaurant and order food in English, ask questions, handle problems, ask for the bill.
That is real English for real life, and you just practiced it.
So next time you are at a restaurant, try it. Say the words out loud, even if your voice shakes a little. That is okay.
Because every time you try, you get better. Every single time. That is how it works.
You are braver than you think, and your English is better than you think.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and reach more learners like you.
And subscribe to Easy English Podcast if you haven't already. We post new videos every week just for you.
Turn on the bell notification too, so you never miss a new episode.
We'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep going, one conversation at a time.
See you soon, everyone. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.